she is going to be our official Philippine representative to Miss Supranational 2012 to be held in Poland.
Supra? Anong meaning daw? Supernatural? Yes.
For me, I think super women. Yung babaeng modern women. Yung parang kabagong women na ngayon kasi yung society natin is like changing. Yung parang women, yung parang ma-eliminate yung inequality. Yung parang mabalance na men and women are the same. You can compete.
Ng Filipino beauty?
I think kasi tayo yung fair complexion natin. Like, we're not too white, we're not too dark, but nasa middle tayo. Tayo yung tamang-tama, I mean, balance. And Filipino women are really super women. We're resourceful, compassionate, and resilient.
Na-research mo na ba yung mga talents yung mga past winners?
The current winner, I think, is a singer. Well, I'm a dancer.
Before pa, kilala ko rin si Elaine nung sumasali pa yan sa Binibining Pilipinas. And like ko siya sabihan, umayos ka kasi, you know, nasa kanya na lahat eh. Diba? Height, figure, face. And I'm always telling her na she just have to be confident. Kasi nasa kanya na lahat, yun na lang kulang. Yung maniwala siya na siya yun. Kung ano yung i-describe ko. And nung nalaman nga niya na sasali siya, of course, it came as a shock. But then I told her, take it as a positive surprise, diba? Sumali ka sa Binibining, you were not fortunate enough to get a crown, but you were first runner-up, and now you were given this chance, and not everyone gets that chance. With my experience, it's more of the relationships that you create when you're in the competition. It's not always about who gets a crown or who messes things up. It's more of the ties you create, and you are there as Miss Philippines, and they will always be reminded that, oh, Filipinos are this or that because of you. So that's your role. So we're here for you. You're a winner. Whatever happens, you're a winner for us, and all Filipinos love you.